Hello, my dear students. This is Rupali teacher, and I welcome you all in today's video. Children, today we are going to see Unit 3, lesson number 1, that is mice. Now, I will be reciting the poem. Please listen to it very carefully. Okay? I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long, their faces small. They haven't any chins at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are rather nice. Who is the poet? Rose Philemon. Alright, so this is the poem 3.1 Mice. Now we are going to see the question answers. Now let's quickly check out the question answers which are given here. I will be sharing you the digest one which is given in the digest. Alright, so let's start with the explanation of the poem. In this poem, the poetess Rose Philemon thinks that mice are quite nice. What does the poetess think? She thinks that the mice are nice animals, okay? They have long tails and small faces. They look very cute. And one more thing she says is they do not have chins at all. Do you know where is chin? Just touch your chin, okay? We all have chins. Kids have chins. Human beings have chins. But the mice does not have any chins at all. What is the color of their ears? Can you see? The color of their ears are pink. And then the teeth are white, okay? The poet says the color of their ears is pink and the teeth are white. They run about the house at night. Ah, so the poet says the mice nibble things which they are not supposed to touch. You must have seen children when the mice comes to your house. You must have seen somewhere in the corner or in the night. What do? They nibble things which they are not supposed to touch. Okay. If you leave something like open, if you leave your food open in the night, so what happens? They will come and they will nibble the things, like they can nibble the clothes also, your boxes also, and some paper materials. So they nibble things. Nibble means what? Biting, nibbling something. Okay. Though no one seems to like them much, the poetess likes them and thinks they are nice. Okay, nobody likes mice, but the poetess says that I think I like the mice and they are nice. So this was the explanation of the poem. Now we are going to do the oral work. Okay, there are some hard words which we are going to see here. The first is rather. I'm sorry about this. The first is rather, okay, chins. Then we have nibble, then shouldn't, then touch. Okay, so these are the words which you should know the spellings of. Now, answer the questions. You have to answer the questions. Let's check out which is the first question here. What is the name of the poetess? Now she is a poetess, okay? She is not a poet because a girl, she is a female with the name Rose Philemon. So the name of the poetess is Rose Philemon. What are the mice in this picture doing? Do you see this picture, children? They are talking about this picture. What are the mice doing here? The mice are nibbling some food, okay? What are they doing? They are nibbling some food. Have you ever seen a mouse? Yes, of course, we all have seen a mouse. So what you have to write the answer. And if you have not seen a mouse, what you will write? You will write, no, I have not seen a mouse. Okay. What will you do if you see a mouse in your house? Alright. So this is a personal response question. अगर आपके घर में आपको माइस दिखता है तो आप क्या करोगे? सो दिस यू कैन राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, ठीक है? ऑल राइट, नाउ लेट्स गो to the notes which I have created is as shown here. The dictation words are given: mice, nibbled, tails, rather, seems. Give meanings. What is the meaning of nibble? Nibble means to take small bites. Okay. Rather means to a certain extent. Now match the following. What is long? Long tail. Mouse has long tail. Small faces, pink ears and white teeth. So these are some extra questions which I have prepared, children. Now write the rhyming words from the poem. Mice, nice, touch, much. Now question answers. Have you ever seen a mouse? Just now we have seen. Yes, I had seen a mouse many times. मैंने बहुत बार माइस देखा है. What will you do if you see a mouse in your house? आप क्या करेंगे अगर आपके घर में आपको माउस दिखता है? तो आप उसके साथ खेलेंगे, उसको मार के भगाएंगे कि डर जाएंगे? सो आप डिसाइड करो आप क्या लिखोगे. बट आपकी रेफरेंस के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे आंसर लिख दिया है. इफ़ आई विल सी अ माउस इन माई हाउस, आई विल बी वेरी स्कैर्ड एंड आई विल रन टू माई मदर. अगर मैंने मेरे घर में माउस देखा तो मैं बहुत डर जाऊँगा और मैं मम्मी के पास भाग के चला जाऊँगा. ओके, वॉट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द पोइटेस? अभी हम लोगों ने देखा द नेम ऑफ द पोइटेस इज रोज फिल्मन. सो दिस इज़ द एंड. आई होप आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. Once again, I will scroll from top to bottom so that you don't miss anything. You can take screenshots of the notes. Teachers can also prepare the notes with the help of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.